Morning, bro. Are you there?
Hey, good morning.
Yeah. We are on the live stream.
Oh, uh,
Yeah.
we can, is there a feedback or echo or something?
Yeah, no echo.
Echo. How
Yeah,
about the YouTube channel there?
let me check.
Yeah, because sometimes if is there a feedback or echo or something?
Yeah, no echo. Yeah, okay.
So I can hear your YouTube thing from here.
Because just now I tried to hear the YouTube
Ah,
and then this,
as long as they doesn't have the echo, that's fine.
yeah,
Let me set up my camera.
yeah.
Uh, that growling sound. I
Let me
hear
try this.
there's this goo sound. Yeah.
Maybe,
Okay. Oh yeah. Forgetting this thing.
uh,
There is to even after setting up the camera, sometimes I keep forget to click it in.
yeah,
Yes. I mean, what is that sound? Sounds like something is talking or something. I don't know.
or
Or
the
even
sound.
sound like someone's moving the chair and table.
Yeah, it sounds from my side when I moving and or when I use the mouse. Yeah,
All right, all right.
yeah. This is
That's
sound when I use the mouse. Yeah. Uh, this is
Fed Chair Jerome Powell signal the
yeah,
end of QT.
yeah. Uh, be, because I choose some of the title. Yeah, here's the
Yeah,
title.
Bitcoin price. The funny thing about Bitcoin price is that when you look at some headlines, right? Or
Yeah,
if you type in the Google search,
yeah,
Bitcoin price fall because of what? So then there will be these different people or a different organization, different media. They're putting on different kind of headlines. So for listeners, they'll be wondering why. Okay, maybe sometimes it gives people the punch, to get people to feel the wow factor. So
Yeah,
CNN says why crypto briefly but dramatically crash when Trump do something.
yeah, that's right.
Reuters
Because
says after Reuters will say after record crypto crash. It's like they say record crypto crash, a rush
yeah,
to hedge against another something something something. So
yeah.
I'm reading from the Google page search.
You
So
may
there's
know
like
the news. You
Singapore Straits
may,
Times. It says crypto suffers 25 billion crash. I was like,
yeah,
wow, everyone is writing very interesting headlines.
nine
So
19 billion plus on
yeah.
Friday. Yeah,
So okay, 19 billion is US dollar, but 25 billion is in Singapore dollars. So
yeah,
it gets people to feel, wow, that's so serious. That's like wow, doomsday. Yeah.
yeah,
So then Yahoo Finance says, oh, Bitcoin price dips back down from its record high. Should investor buy this or buy that? Yeah. So Investopedia, I like what they put. Here's what investor need to know about this weekend's massive crypto crash or something.
yeah,
Yeah, so at least they are being more like balanced. They are like, okay, let's put two kind of perspective. Yeah, so the way the media is putting up information or news about anything. So sometimes we just have to after reading all this, we have to do our even news like this, we have to do our own research and see for ourselves
yeah,
what it is. Yeah, so when we look at the chart again, it's like, oh, last week is 120 plus,
yeah,
120 plus. Today is 114. So it's just like uh, uh, it is a 10,000, roughly around there, about $10,000 margin uh, for you to make, for you to trade and sell and buy. Or yeah,
yeah,
so I mean, imagine the price is going to stay at 124 or 122 for on a straight flat line, then something is really wrong somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah,
And now on the CoinMarketCap, there's a CMCAI. We
yeah.
just say what's the latest news on the BTC, and it's also the very short thing.
Mm.
Example, here there are four highlight of the latest news. DLC sees 15 billion in BTC, 14 October history. That means the U.S. Government sees 50 billion in Bitcoin from Cambodian big butchering scam network.
All right.
Yeah, and hyper unique whale close stocks, um, 15 million stock loss, but 478 million still open signal cautious relief. BlackRock tokenized boost 14 uh, Bitcoin ETF hit 100 billion as Fin declared tokenized either Rootstock target I idle BTC and to unlock 260 billion in traditional Bitcoin into DeFi yield. Yeah, now we see the news. Some news say good thing and some news say negative information. And we know last week, as Mr. Nicholas said to us about how Bitcoin crashed last week. Let me show from 7 day. Yeah, Bitcoin from 120 plus and it fell down to 110, nearly around 109 plus, and it's bouncing back. Now it's around 113. Yeah, it's the reason we also don't know. But on last Friday, we hear Trump say something, and after that,
Yeah,
Trump say something to declare the trade war with China, to block import, no, to apply 100% import goods from China uh, on on Friday, and after that the market crashed. And on Monday, Trump say something. Oh, don't worry, blah blah, something like that, and the market rebounds. Yeah, with me, sometimes it's a way to make money from the people have some of the power in the social media. When he says something on the media, have some something happen. Yeah. It's a way to make money. That's why last week is we some people can say it's bloody Friday. A lot of people feel unhappy and feel loss of their asset. Some of the exchange all also have the issue with the debate and with the liquidity. A lot of liquidate order have been closed. Yeah, a lot of people lose their money. Yeah, and then back to some of the news, we see the Binance launched 400 million support program for the trader affected by Friday market drop. Uh, this news is about some of the traders want to log into the exchange um, uh, to close the liquidate order, but they cannot, and it make the order have some problem. And now Binance support. Yeah, it's a goodwill from the exchange to continue build up the reputation of the exchange. And 60 minutes ago, we see the Fed Chair Jerome Powell signal ending of the QT. The QE is different. The QT is one TT. Let me see. The QT is here. The Q is 130 easing, and the QT is in the reverse. Yeah, and maybe today is 15th of October. Maybe on 29th October, uh, Fed will do the QE to bring money out the market. Here announced QT ending by Fed Chair Powell. Yeah, we know that the uh, the money will bring out soon, and a lot of coin will go up. Bitcoin will go up. That's why we see the correction this day. Yeah, Nicholas, do you have any comment about Fed Chair and some of the recent news I share?
Oh, all right. Basically, what I felt for the last few days, market up and down, is
Yeah,
like what you covered earlier on. Is mainly because, or rather, mostly uh, ignited by what Trump has been saying. Yeah. So let's not forget that Trump's son uh, is very heavily involved in crypto and all,
yeah,
and each time Trump said something, actually it's not exactly very beneficial for his Americans because nobody expects them to win the trade war anyway. So, but he still wants to fight the trade war. So to the how the whole world is looking at this situation is that, hey, everyone knows, Mr. Trump, everyone knows that you have a family business dealing with crypto,
Yeah.
I mean, we still remember, we know that, yeah. But for China, they have no problem handling this trade war because they have experienced uh, very serious one before with the same guy, because Trump was back then, in 2018 he started the trade war, right? So China wasn't ready at that time. Now China is fully ready, so they are not afraid. But those people that should be afraid is his own people, Trump's own people, his own citizens, Yeah, so it doesn't affect a lot of things that's being involved in the trade war, but it affected a lot of crypto traders. Yeah, so people like us, each time a big gunners, I mean, he's no longer a big gun, he's like the big cannon already, Yeah, so
Yeah.
each time the big Mr. Big Cannon start to say something, we can actually follow, or we do enough research, we can expect that, oh, after he said this kind of things, maybe the market will crash, yeah.
Yeah.
And we can make our adjustment, we can make our trading style, uh, s- uh, follow slightly according to how the market is moving in line with what he said, yeah. So that is how we can we can at least pick up some gemstones along the way, because you see the first dip in a graph that Mr. Richard is showing in the screen right now. It went down to like 109 or 110, right? So that's a
Yeah.
point where we start to realize, hey, you know, would Trump start to say something good in order for the market to bounce back up? I mean, true enough, he said something to U-turn his decision, right? And then the market went up. Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the things that we can, small little things that we can look into in terms of what big politicians say, because he is like the one who will say a lot of things, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So and then we can earn a little bit here and there from that. Market says, oh, there's a record 19 billion US dollar that's being wiped out from the market. It's like, okay, so if there's 19 billion being wiped out, that's a big amount, and that's an amount that needed to be adjusted back again. Yeah. So and true enough, it bounced back up, and of course it's not going to go back up to plus immediately. If it goes back up into 120 plus immediately, everyone will say, oh, this is uh, this is totally I don't know how to say. It's just unbelievable, yeah.
Yeah.
So I hope traders out there are making some money off these opportunities in the last few days. Yeah, Mr. Richard.
Uh, Let me show you the liquidate recently on uh, the total exchange. Uh, this is this is simple. Yeah, here's a liquidation heat map. Yeah, 1 hour, 12 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour. I I also want to find the heat map. Uh, how the liquid recently. No, it's not here. It's from all of the exchange, and we may have all the look here. Here's a chart. Here's a chart. We see the long short and the price liquidate, and we hit the last Friday. Um, we we see the long liquid is so high. If we compare with the in the history, yeah, we see the liquid up the long is 16.7 billion, and the stock only 2.4 billion. Yeah, the liquidity on the 10th of October with the price of the Bitcoins at that time is 112 uh 112,906. Yeah, from the total market. Yeah, we see that to know how large of the crash on last Friday. Yeah, if we compare with the last, yeah, the liquidity is very very high. Yeah, it's it's out of our imagine. That's why some people will feel that the alcohol season or the uptrend season is end. Of course not. With me, I think that is just a way from the rich people, from the well, how to make money through this. Yeah, because when they say something, and the market react something, and we see that um, very easy to make the money if we have a uh, large amount of the gold, large amount of the major set, large amount of this um, to get the money from the long short order. Yeah, that's the map I want to show to all of you to know that how uh, how large of the liquidation last Friday. Yeah, and last week it's around a few million. Yeah, last 24 hour 697 million. Yeah, it's also last year. Yeah. Okay, back to our live stream. We also have the other headline. The other news is about um, here is some headline recently. US seized 15 billion in Bitcoin from Prince Group scheme. Yeah, some of the
Prince,
yeah Prince Group Prince. Yeah,
this
POC.
yeah, a slight highlight to listeners. Scams are
Yeah,
everywhere. Yeah,
yeah,
so
scam
it doesn't
everywhere.
matter where these scams come from, but the same people will exercise, or rather they'll try to scam everyone from various places. Let's say a scam organization
Yeah,
A, and if this A is from the US, you'll try not to do it from US, you try to do it from other countries. So if scam organization B is from, let's say is from, let's say Singapore, he'll try not to do it from Singapore. He'll try to do it from China or Myanmar or wherever, So he'll try to reduce a trace that can easily trace back to them. Yeah. So this scam thing is everywhere. We have to be careful, not to fall into this kind of trap, because it is very lucrative for them, but it's a big pain for people like us if we were to believe in such a scam and then sacrifice our hard-earned money for them. Yeah, so just encourage us to be more alert and more careful. Yeah, Mr. Richard.
yeah. Some of the news I also found is about U.S. government seized 15 billion in Bitcoin from the Cambodian big butchering scam network. Um, we hear that a lot in Cambodia. In Cambodia, yeah, a lot of scam network. So many country feel headache about it. A lot of complaint about Cambodia. Like now, recently in Korea, complain that there are some Korean uh, have been work in have been work there, and feel That mean they complain that the government of Korea uh, will do investigate about the network in Cambodia. Also Thailand, Vietnam also that we know that in Vietnam, in Thailand, in Korea, they know there's some of the scam network in Cambodia, but they don't know how um, to show that because they suspect that maybe they have the support from the Cambodian government there. Some of the people belong to the government in Cambodia involved, so it's hard to solve the issue. Yeah, that's why we also may see the conflict between the country with Cambodia. And then now we see next the information. Um, uh, Last time I shared to you that in CoinMarketCap have the summary with the CoinMarketCap AI. So we click in and the AI will do the summary for us. Yeah, and they just say something in short. So we just get the information from the summarize. What happened? Down. Example why the market down. They say the crypto market fell 2.17 over last 24 hours and stand 9.73 weekly decline. The the key drivers leverage, liquidation, regulatory uncertainty, and technical breakdown. Yeah, leverage unwinding, 980 billion open interest, and minus 0.0014 funding rate signal mass short position. Regulatory jitter, the ban crypto insider trading ban proposal, Nikkei Asia and US UK sanction on the scam network apply risk and technical breakdown market can block below 7-day SMA and Fibonacci 50% retracement. Uh, a lot of tool for to check the news, to fill the news on the coin market cap. Yeah. Uh, Example here also have the what are KOL discussing about this, what are outperforming Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see what are outperforming Bitcoin. It's in the coin market cap will uh, do the research and get very short news for us to long TLDR, too long do research.
Long didn't
Yeah,
read.
too long and research.
TLDR stands for too long didn't read. It's like a summary, a few pointers for,
Yeah,
let's
yeah,
say
that's
they have a long article of a lot of things. They'll just pick out the main pointers and list it out and just put it TLDR. It's a good
yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah. That's it. And we check the link on this, and then read a few this. Um, this tool, if we have the pro and some of the other function, we also can chat to this, and it will reply. Yeah, chat some of the coin, some of the thing, and it will reply for us. Yeah, this nice tool, and now we now we now we see some of the people from the rain, the we see the rainbow chart. Nothing we say is usually after the halving, after the few week, the few month, the Bitcoin will have the good performance. But this time, it look like we wait a little bit longer I also don't know. We wait until the end of 2025. We hope that the end of this year, Bitcoin will fly up around 200K. We also hope that based on the rainbow charts, we hope so. And now let's go to CoinGecko because I want to do the weekly I want to do the weekly buy-in for the demo account before we complete our live stream this morning. Yeah, my portfolio maybe it's out of performance, out of the portfolio login. Maybe I will do this after our live stream. So after login this after live stream. If you have any question, please let us know before we complete the live stream. Yeah. Mr. Nicholas, do you have anything want to share to our audience before that?
Not much, just reminder of for doing due diligence and all.
Yeah.
Do catch up on the international news, especially on politics and all these trade wars and all the news may not affect us directly, but
Yeah.
they still affect us indirectly. So when we
Yeah.
look at all this information flying around, top leaders pretending to fight each other, is more than often is trying to pull in or pull out or pull up a market that they are situation that they are in. So we can always look at what they say and look at the trend and how the market move at a point when they say certain things, and then the next time when they said it, the next time when they said a similar thing, we were like, okay, now maybe the market is going to move this way. We can anticipate how the market is moving, but of course, we try not to put everything in the same basket. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
that's right.
you invest a little bit here, invest a little bit there, and a little bit in another coin, and trade safely. Yeah, we hope you will make some money. Yes.
Yeah. See you in our next live stream.
You in